Let me show you how to make this simple but delicious fish sauce that will make your family ask for more. You need only few ingredients to make this sauce, which I will list below in the description. And this can be ready in less than 5 minutes. So foodies, let's get started. First, you are going to heat up some oil in a pan. Add in some diced onion to build flavor. Next, go in with your roughly blended mixed peppers. This is a combination of tomatoes, paprikas, onion, and habanero pepper. Now stir that and allow to fry to dry up some liquid. Now go in with your seasoning and spices. Stir to combine and add in your already washed and cut mackerel fish. At this point, if there is no much liquid to cook the fish, add in little amount of water. Now cover and allow to cook. Next, you are going to open it up, give it a slight stir to make sure it's not burning. Add in your vegetables, stir it up to combine, and then cover it up again for another 2 minutes. Open up again and garnish with spring onion or any herbs of your choice. And here you go, it's ready. My kitchen at this point smells so good. Now tell me, will you be trying this? Do you like it? Let's know in the comments. Please hit the like button, comment and share. See you again in my next one. Bye bye.